Think again the next time you push black pepper to the back of your shelf. The modest spice has more health advantages than you would think. It is a member of the Piperaceae family and undergoes several processing steps to produce various pepper varieties. Black pepper, for instance, is made from cooked and dried unripe fruit. Green pepper is made from dried unripe fruit, and white pepper comes from the seeds of the plant's matured fruit. Although pepper originated in South India, it is also produced in other tropical nations. It has a prominent place in history and has been valued as a spice from the dawn of humanity. It was also used as money in classical Greece. Later on, it played a crucial role in the world. The top producer and exporter of pepper is, incidentally, thought to be Vietnam. The same is done in Brazil, Indonesia, and India. There are several health advantages of using black pepper in cooking and as a garnish in cuisines all over the world. Before we start, make sure like and subscribe Alpha Health channel for more videos. Now let's start the video. 1. To reduce cancer risk. Black pepper's piperine, which is linked to cancer protection, is amplified by turmeric, increasing its potency by double. Additionally, the spice contains antioxidants including flavonoids, carotenes, vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin flavonoids that help the body fight cancer and other ailments by removing dangerous free radicals. Rather of cooking it with food, the ideal method to consume pepper for optimal health benefits is to eat it freshly ground. 2. Promotes digestion. The piperine in black pepper, once again, facilitates digestion and stimulates the stomach, which releases more hydrochloric acid to aid in the breakdown of proteins in food. Therefore, adding a little pepper to your diet will actually speed up your digestion. 3. Eases cold and cough. Due to its natural antibacterial properties, black pepper aids in the treatment of cold and cough. It works with a teaspoon of honey and freshly ground pepper. Additionally, it aids in reducing chest congestion, which is frequently brought on by smog, the flu, or a viral illness. You may take steam from it by mixing it with hot water and eucalyptus oil. Additionally, because black pepper is high in vitamin C, it also functions well as an antibiotic. 4. Promotes weight loss. Although it may be difficult to accept, black pepper is incredibly effective at drawing out nutrients from meals. Additionally, the phytonutrients in its outermost layer help break down fat cells and boost metabolism. When you consume fresh pepper, your body will assist you sweat by eliminating toxins and extra water. But moderation in eating is necessary. One meal's worth is just a pinch. 5. Improves skin. Did you know that crushed pepper is one of nature's best exfoliators? Before using it, you should combine it with some honey, curd, or fresh cream. Additionally, it encourages blood flow and improves skin oxygenation. When combined with nutrition, it also gets rid of unneeded wrinkles on the skin. Black pepper is reportedly used as a treatment for vitiligo, a condition where the skin loses color and develops white patches. Thank you for watching to this point. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you got to this point.